Hello, I'm Erin Springstroh, Mrs. Springstroh, and if you're watching this video, that means that you signed up for Step into Spanish, a summer school virtual Spanish class. Over the next 4 weeks, we're going to learn a little bit of Spanish, we're gonna play games, sing songs, we're going to have a lot of fun. Right now, what I'd like to do is I'd like to show you some of the resources that I have shared out with you. The very first thing that I'm going to show you is Google Classroom. I sent you an invite to your school email, so if you have not gotten that email, well, then you also haven't gotten this video because this was shared out in Google Classroom. So on Google Classroom, so far I've posted with you just one quick thing that includes all 4 vocabulary lists. So we're going to kind of focus on one list a week. However, the lists are a secondary thing. I'm not really concerned that you memorize every word on that list. Those are just the words that we're going to use in our conversations, in our practice every day. In addition to these 4 lists, I also shared with you a link to our Quizlet set. If you have not yet used Quizlet, clicking on that link will bring you to Quizlet. If you'd like to create an account, you can. I would recommend that you use your school email address because there's lots of teachers that use Quizlet other than just me, and they are going to want you to use your school email address, so it just gets you one step ahead. We're going to start on greetings, so you can click on greetings. And then there's lots of different things that you can do. There's flashcards and it will read you the words if you click on them. There's different activities that you can do. As of right now, for elementary Spanish, I am not concerned that you know how to spell the words. I am more concerned that you are able to recognize the words and use them in context. So match would be a really great way because that's matching the English definition to the Spanish definition. So that's pretty much all I want to show you right now. I am going to make another video that's kind of kicking off our very first lesson, but this was just a little video about me and about the resources that I have. If at any point you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. I'm going to be on email like crazy, and if we need to, we can set up a Google Meet or something so I can talk you through anything. Anyways, I look forward to getting to know you over the next few weeks, and I look forward to speaking Spanish with you. Adios!